Hi guys, Amit here. Life would definitely be miserable for a person who is preparing report out of this unstructured Excel workbook where you have columns merged, rows and column both merged, three processes going simultaneously, and that too batch one and batch two within the same date. But what if I tell you this won't take even a minute to get a finished report, a dashing report? I guess you won't believe it. But let me show you. And I don't need to do anything. Just close the file and drop these files to the folder, and I'll go to my Power BI and I'll refresh. You can see that 31st 10 2023 to 16/11 2023, and the total carton produced is 829. Others data are also at 411. Let's refresh the thing and see the magic happening. See, everything is updated. How much have you produced during the period? What is the production data? What is the cream production? What is the batter production? And you can do your analysis very easily. Thank you.